welcome to Headlines Now with me, Deepthi. Before we move into all the stories in detail, let's have a look at the top headlines. IPL player Luke Pommersbach faints in court but gets a day's interim bail after he was arrested on charges of molesting a US national. Further controversy after RCB franchise owner Siddharth Mallya posts an objectionable tweet about the victim, tells the victim is lying. Following the Wankhede scuffle, MCA wants a 5-year ban on SRK. BCCA will take the final call even as Mamata Banerjee stands by him. Sharad Pawar snubs PS Sangma, says party will go to the UPA stand even as BJD and AIADMK back him. The government mulls over austerity measures to curtail expenditure days after Pranab Mukherjee told Parliament he doesn't want to hit the panic button. Facebook shares to start trading today as it becomes the first US company to be valued over 100 billion at IPO debut. News in detail. There's more trouble and bad press for the IPL, the second day running. Royal Challengers Bangalore player Luke Pommersbach has got interim bail on surety of 20,000 rupees till tomorrow in the molestation case against him. He's been accused of molesting a woman and also assaulting her. He's been given interim bail. The 27-year-old allegedly molested a US national last evening at her room in a 5-star hotel. While team owner Vijay Mallya says Luke will not play matches till the probe is complete, the IPL has distanced itself from the entire event, saying that it is not responsible for the individual behavior of players. However, the player has been suspended pending inquiry. A medical checkup on Luke has also been conducted.
हमने कोर्ट को कहा था कि पुलिस प्रोटेक्शन दिया जाए एक्यूज का कि आखिर माजरा क्या है, किस वजह से ये झगड़ा हुआ है, लेकिन कोर्ट ने कल तक के लिए इंटरिम दिया है। कल अपना कोर्ट एविडेंस देख करके, डॉक्टर की ओपिनियन देख करके बेल उसको बेल पे डिसाइड करेगी।
The victim who had filed the complaint has also said that she was threatened to withdraw the case.
We were out there with having fun, and this guy, he was just trying to be nice to Sahil for some reason, and he was like, "Oh, I like you. You're a nice guy. How about we go have drinks and everything like that?" So basically, he told them, "Why don't you just come to my room and have drinks?" Sahil's like, "I have my own room. It's okay." He came up and he actually tagged along. He followed us. It was us with a couple of Mumbai friends as well. And he tagged along. He came up. So we thought maybe he's going to get off on a different floor. He didn't. He followed us, came with us. Sahil's nice. He didn't want to say no to him or anything. He's like, maybe he wants to have a drink. It's okay. No big deal. Came into the room, sat down with him. He was giving me this look. I kind of felt uncomfortable. I was like, you know what? I need to go to my room. I'll go to sleep. It's a suite, so it's a suite room, so they can sit on the other side, and I'll be inside. While I was walking inside the other towards the room, he grabbed my hand, turned around, he held me tight. So he asked him to leave, and basically, what he did, he turned around, started punching him on his face twice, fell down, he fell on his back. There is a glass table. He fell on his back and got hurt on his back. We really punched him hard in his ear. It's all stitched up.
Patient is stable. The only complaints which left so far is he is complaining of a loss of ear or impaired hearing in the left side of the ear. That is being investigated by our chief ENT expert. That will take some time to find out what the reasoning is. Otherwise, in last 4 hours under observation, his condition has become stable and there is no deterioration in the condition of the patient.
Royal Challengers Bangalore regrets the incident involving Luke Pommersbach, one of our players. Royal Challengers Bangalore will offer full cooperation to the concerned authorities so that there is a fair investigation and the matter is disposed of fully in accordance with law. And till that happens, Luke Pommersbach will not be taking the field for the Royal Challengers.
यही बचा था सही मायने में आईपीएल एक ग्लैमर है और उस ग्लैमर में एक रेप रह गया था। फिल्म की पूरी स्क्रिप्ट बन गई है, एक हीरो है, कुछ विलेन हैं, कैसे विदेशी मुद्रा की स्मगलिंग हो रही है, शराब पी करके कैसे लोग आ रहे हैं, उन पर आरोप लगाए जा रहे हैं। एक रेप वाला मामला रह गया था, वह रेप का मामला भी आ गया।
No, we are not responsible for the behavior of individuals in the hotel, what they are doing. Let law takes its own course. Let police action it.
मुझे इसके बारे में तो कुछ मालूम नहीं है, मगर अगर ये हुआ है तो कार्रवाई सख्त होनी चाहिए।
इनमें कितनी सच्चाई है ये तभी पता लग सकता है जब उसकी विधिवत एक बाकायदे फेयर जांच हो। जांच होने के बाद आईपीएल में अगर ये गड़बड़ियां हैं, इस तरह के अगर अनियमितताएं हैं, तो उसके ऊपर जो कठोर कार्रवाई करनी चाहिए वो जरूर की जानी चाहिए।
Now, Pommersbach isn't new to trouble. In fact, he has always been controversy's favorite child. During November 2007, Pommersbach was suspended from the Warriors for drinking alcohol. In 2009, he was arrested and charged after 2 hit-and-run accidents. He was also suspended indefinitely by WACA. In 2011, he failed to attend a practice match after a 4-day drinking binge and was sacked by the then Warriors coach Mickey Arthur. He's also been suspended in 5 of the 6 seasons with the Warriors and has also battled depression and substance abuse issues. Quite a record there by Pommersbach with this recent controversy as well. RCB owner Siddharth Mallya has questioned the victim's motives in the molestation case of RCB player Luke Pommersbach, who made an appearance in the court in the afternoon and got interim bail. In a shocking comment on the molestation, Siddharth Mallya says the girl who is accusing Luke is saying he hit her fiancé. What a load of shit. She was all over me last night and asked for my BBM pin. So if he was her fiancé, she wasn't exactly behaving like a future wife. Everyone wants their 15 minutes.
मैं चाहती हूँ कि ऐसे इतनी आसानी से एक औरत की कैरेक्टर पे हम निंदा ना दें। सिद्धार्थ माल्या छोटा बच्चा है, मैं समझती हूँ, और मैं एक माँ के नाते मैं कहूँगी कि जब ट्वीट करते वक्त और ये करते वक्त ये जानकारी रहनी चाहिए कि सारी दुनिया देख रही है आप क्या कह रहे हैं।
Moving on to another controversy of the IPL, we want Shah Rukh Khan banned from the Wankhede Stadium for 5 years. A stern message from the Mumbai Cricket Association after a brawl involving the actor. But the BCCI says it is only a recommendation and that the board will take the final call. Union Minister and Mumbai Cricket Association President Vilas Rao Deshmukh says the action they demand is to send a strong message for all those who flout rules, and Shah Rukh Khan has no regrets and hence the ban is justified.
The managing committee of MCA at its meeting today has condemned the behavior of Mr. Shah Rukh Khan, who without any provocation hurled abuse at the MCA officials and manhandled the security guard in the presence of BCCI IPL officials. Mr. Shah Rukh had no regrets of his action and behavior. He in fact has justified the action of manhandling of the security guard and abusing and threatening MCA officials. The managing committee is forced to ban Mr. Shah Rukh Khan for entering Wankhede Stadium for a period of 5 years.
इस मामले में जो भी कोई सिफारिश कर सकता है, अंतिम निर्णय बीसीसीआई को लेना। बीसीसीआई इसमें जो भी होगा, जब कोई सिफारिश आएगी तो अंतिम निर्णय लेगा।
As far as the BCCI's action or the Wankhede Stadium is concerned, I think they should sit down and talk and try and find a middle way.
बिल्कुल षड्यंत्र करके आप शाहरुख को ही इंसल्ट करने का पुलिस लगा के जो उसका बयान आया है, तो ये काम किया। मेरा सलाह है शाहरुख को कि क्रिकेट वाला चलाना तुम बंद कर दो, अपना फिल्म वाला देखो।
On Mr. Shah Rukh Khan's issue, I said yesterday, I'm in no position to comment because I wasn't present. All I know is that my good friend Shah Rukh Khan is very passionate about his team, very passionate about children. And what happened suddenly is something that needs to be investigated.
And we love all, from Saurabh to Sachin to everybody. And Saurabh is our brand ambassador also, Bengal. That's why you're asking me the question. I will appeal. Please reconsider the decision. There are some incidents happen, maybe emotionally, because of his child and some sweet youngsters. They are really small.
IPL is neither cricket nor is it consistent with the cultural ethos of India. You can't have a match where you have half-naked women dancing at every four which is being scored, and then it is followed by rave parties, which is neither good for the health of the players nor good otherwise. And it is this kind of license which is leading to situations where rapes now have started taking.
We'll move to a short break now. Stay with us.